Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us for this update from your coronavirus headquarters. I'm Tyler Jobe. Health officials say social distancing is working, but they are warning it could be a while before life looks like it did before the coronavirus pandemic. Skylar Henry has more details from the White House.
Dr. Anthony Fauci is warning Americans life won't return to normal until there is an approved coronavirus vaccine.
If back to normal means acting like there never was a coronavirus problem, I don't think that's going to happen until we do have a situation where you can completely protect the population.
For now, health experts recommend staying at home, even suggesting people cut back on trips to the grocery store.
This is a highly transmittable virus. We've been saying that we want every American to know that what they're doing is making a difference.
A vaccine isn't expected until next year, and President Trump says businesses won't stay closed for months on end.
I think we could get more than back to normal from an economic standpoint, actually be better.
President Trump will speak with small business owners this afternoon about the economic relief set aside for them in the $2 trillion stimulus package.
We are looking to reopen the economy as soon as we can, but we got to get a green light from the health folks. There's no question about that.
Monday, President Trump blasted a Department of Health and Human Services report showing hospitals have a dire shortage of supplies needed to fight the pandemic.
A really long wait time. I mean, a week or longer.
And did I hear the word Inspector General? Really? It's wrong. And they'll talk to you about it. It's wrong.
The president announced 3M has agreed to manufacture more than 55 million face masks a month. Skylar Henry, CBS News, the White House.
Vice President Pence and Dr. Fauci will be holding conference calls with Democrats and Republicans in both the House and Senate to update them on the latest with the fight against the coronavirus. Well, in-person voting is underway for Wisconsin's primary election today. After lots of back and forth yesterday, Wisconsin's election is a go. The decision came just hours after Governor Tony Evers tried to postpone voting with an executive order as a last-ditch effort over fears of spreading the coronavirus. The Wisconsin Supreme Court ruled 4-2 that Evers lacked the authority to move the election on his own. Even though in-person voting is still on, Wisconsin's leading health official says it will hurt the state's efforts to stop and slow the spread.
In-person voting, by definition, inhibits our ability to physically distance, and the recent consolidation of polling locations in many parts of Wisconsin would result in mass gatherings. In-person voting would, without question, accelerate the transmission of COVID-19 and increase the number of cases. And an increase in the number of cases in Wisconsin would result in more deaths.
Polling locations in La Crosse have been reduced. You can visit MYVOTE.WI.GOV for information on polling locations in your community and any changes that may be made because of COVID-19. A third person in Winona County has died from the coronavirus, and 2 new additional cases are being reported in the county, bringing their total to 16. Minnesota is now reporting more than 1,000 positive cases in the state. There have been 34 deaths. No new cases are being reported, however, in Houston County. In Iowa, there are now more than 1,000 cases, and there have also been 26 deaths. 1 new case is being reported in Allamakee County, bringing their total up to 18 cases. In Wisconsin, there are now more than 2,500 positive coronavirus cases in the state, an increase of more than 200 from yesterday. 85 people have died. Over half of those deaths are being reported from Milwaukee County. 1 additional case is being reported in La Crosse County, but no one from the county is currently hospitalized. Gundersen Health System is temporarily reducing staff at locations throughout the area. The news comes as the COVID-19 pandemic is creating financial stress for the system. Exactly how many staff will be furloughed or which will have reduced hours has not been released. Depending on the location, Gundersen Health System is seeing a decrease of 40 to 80% of procedures and appointments. Gundersen CEO Dr. Scott Rathgaber says, quote, "We plan to bring staff back to fully serve the needs of our patients and communities when our procedures and appointments can safely return to normal operations," end quote. A new website will help local business owners and community members connect during the Safer at Home order. The new Support Local La Crosse website lists area businesses that are still open in La Crosse and surrounding communities. It has information about how you can support local businesses in person, as well as the option to buy products online. The website was launched by La Crosse's Downtown Main Street, in partnership with several other organizations. There are also resources for local business owners. The website is supportlocallacrosse.com. News 8 Now is also showcasing local restaurants that are still working hard and are ready to serve you. You can find out what's on the menu in our area by checking out our community guide for takeout or delivery. Check it out on our website, news8000.com. And thanks so much for joining us for this coronavirus update. You can always get the latest anytime on our website, news8000.com, or download our mobile app. We hope to join you tonight at 5. Take care.